Hey there, welcome back to Gadget Akbar. Today we are diving into this lifelong slow juicers. And before checking out its features and reviews, let's understand the benefits of a slow juicer. A slow juicer preserves more nutrients and enzymes due to their low speed operation, which generates less heat and results in higher juice quality and longer shelf life. They also offer versatility for making various recipes, quieter operations, and easier cleanup compared to the traditional centrifugal juicers. Now, this juicer features a finely crafted mesh designed to extract the essence of fruits or veggies, leaving behind only impeccably dry pulp. It has an ingenious reverse mechanism to ensure that no fruit is left unjuiced, seamlessly addressing any interruptions in the juicing process. Just press the R side of the switch and the motor will spin backwards to fix things if something gets stuck. Now let's see what's in the box. There's a squeezer, a brush for cleaning, two containers for juice and pulp, a tube for fruit, a spinner to squeeze the fruits, and a part that separates juice from pulp. Now let's see how to assemble this juicer. After putting it together, we are ready to juice. In the kitchen, we'll watch how every drop of goodness is extracted from apples, limes, beetroots, or pomegranates, ensuring maximum health benefits. After using it for more than 6 months now, my assessment is it's effortless to clean, consumes mere 180 watts of power, and extracts an abundance of juice from fruits. Moreover, its affordability shines through. Available on Amazon for just Rs 4,000 or potentially even cheaper through savvy local market finds. Undoubtedly, a worthwhile investment. And if you wish to purchase it online, I'll provide the links in the description. Go check it out. Thanks for tuning into Gadget Akbar, where every gadget tells a story.